Did you know you could run ChatGPT in your Claude Code? Well, yesterday I didn't know that, and yesterday I learned that you could, and it absolutely blew my mind. I know there are differences between Claude Code and what it looks at and what ChatGPT looks at, and because they're trained in different ways, they both leave different gaps in their understanding. But when you combine them, you can potentially get a better output. So in this video, I'm going to show you why you would even do this in the first place. I'm going to show you how to do it, and I'm going to show you what happened to my own trading strategy when I implemented this myself. Because what this process has taught me is that you cannot mark your own exam. And this is exactly what you kind of leave Claude to do. If you just tell Claude to make you a trading strategy, it will do so based on its own understanding of trading strategies. Inevitably, gaps are left in its understanding, and its output isn't actually 100% accurate. In fact, it's far from it, as you'll see that I discovered later in the video. What we want is to jigsaw the two LLMs together, having Claude and ChatGPT kind of come in, fill each other's gaps, and provide ultimately a better trading strategy. And the reason I wanted to do this is because when you actually run these strategies, well, specifically for me, I'm spending real money doing this stuff, right? I've got my entire portfolio in my 50K to 500K challenge entirely being run by agents. Like, this is serious stuff. So if there are bugs or gaps in the strategy, that can be really expensive. And it has been expensive, by the way. I've lost thousands of dollars in this journey already just because an agent decided to do something and it didn't have a backup plan. So I did this process. I installed ChatGPT or Codex into my Claude Code terminal, and I asked it to review my Red Day DCA strategy. This is my dip buying agent strategy. It's been doing really well, but oh man, I didn't realize the gaps. It caught a whole bunch of problems, 14 errors in 6 categories of the code. And so it caught all of these only because I'm using what I'm calling this dual brain setup, having two LLMs be the brains of the whole operation, working together instead of one. So looking at what Claude is best at, you can see right here, it's better at longer running agentic work. So leaving it in the background to operate on these large kind of long chain thinking things. You know, it's holding context across loads of different files and within your terminal that you use. And that is because it's been trained using Anthropic's own RLHF. But we know there are blind spots with Claude, right? It never really reviews its own work, and you have to build a skill into Claude Code to make it look back on what it's done. And even then, it kind of leaves the gaps still. But when you look at ChatGPT, it's strongest at adversarial code review, security audits, which is super important, and structured critiques of code that it didn't author. It's very good at those things. So what that means is I get a second pair of eyes that doesn't share the same blind spots as Claude. So I end up with two brains in one terminal. So let's get right into the installation. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Let's go. First things first, we want to come into our terminal and we want to paste in, let's make this a little bit larger so you can see it. We want to paste in this command. It's npm install. We're basically installing the OpenAI Codex into our terminal, and we can click enter. What that's going to do is just going to come over and install it into your computer. For me, that has already taken place because I've already done this, but it should just run through the process for you. Along this journey also, you will be logging into your Codex, which will mean you have to log into your OpenAI. It should just open up the browser on the screen for you to log in. This is super simple stuff. But once you've put that command in at the top and it's installed, now you're going to run this command. It's called Codex space login. We're going to click that. And what it should do is start the login process, just what I said. It comes over to your OpenAI, you just log into your OpenAI, and what should happen is automatically, nice and easy, it should send a one-time code, of course, and then it will just log you in. It will then take you to this page, you just click continue, and it should take you straight back to your terminal with no issues. It's signed in, you can close this page now. So now we're back in here, we are in fact logged into Codex in our terminal right now. So this will only work if you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription. And what's wonderful here is that there's no API key to start installing. There's no complexity. It's just the account. You've already logged into your account now, so it's all set up. So now if I open up my Claude by typing Claude, it will obviously log into my Claude here. Now all I have to do is ask Claude to go and see what Codex thinks about certain things, right? So as I said earlier, I have this strategy called the Red Day DCA strategy where It's looking at days that are big red candles and buying on those days. There's lots of nuances in there as well. There's different price levels that I would buy at. There's invalidation levels. And if it comes back down, then I would be buying at confirmation points. But what I didn't realize was that there are loads of issues with the code that would actually, one every 100 times or one every 50 times, it would actually completely fail. And when it's being used to manage my entire portfolio for this challenge, I can't really have that level of uncertainty. So I can just ask it very simply. To review my strategy and give me some feedback on things that could possibly go wrong. This is kind of how I would do it and how I did it before as well. Hey, so I would like you to pull up my Red Day DCA strategy. I've got a whole bunch of rules in there and invalidation points and, intraday dips and day, close to close levels and all kinds of stuff in there. I want you to have Codex review it and then come to a conclusion together as to what the best way to structure this strategy is based on the gaps that you have as Claude in your understanding and how Codex can kind of fill those gaps to create a better strategy. Again, just talking very naturally into my transcriber, and that's how I would engage with it, right? So we've already logged in to Codex. We're very simply just telling Claude to use Codex as part of its process. So right now it's going out to try and find the strategy. This is all understandable, but we're just going to leave this to run for a while until something interesting happens. Really, I want to emphasize that you can use this for basically anything you do on the platform. How much better is it to have two brains on this thing than just one, understanding that there are gaps in understanding from both sides in different areas. Sawing them together is just the best hack I've come across so far. So especially for trading strategies and if you're building out systems, ChatGPT is just really good at organizing and architecting big structures and ideas and how they all link together. And if you can utilize both of those in trading strategies from the Claude side and the OpenAI side, it just makes better outputs, and you want better, more secure outputs that are going to make you more money, specifically when it comes to investing with AI agents. So it now has a clear picture of the strategy. It has said there are gaps. You can see it. And so it's briefing Codex now with those gaps and asking it to weigh in, asking for its opinion. Codex and Claude are having a conversation with each other right now in one terminal. Madness. So it took about 15 minutes to think about it all. It might have even been closer to 20. And I've asked it to produce this visual here just to see what we have changed. It showed that there were 9 gaps were in Claude that Codex has kind of noticed that it would fill and it would fix. It's categorized them into critical, high, medium, and low. Scarily, there were 5 total big problems here that were either critical or high. And it's told me what those problems were. It's, given me the logic behind it. And then all the way at the bottom, it's kind of shown me a recommended final structure. All I'd have to go into now, I've already done this, by the way. You just kind of go back into Claude Code and say, okay, rectify those issues. And then if you want to go even further, you could just say, okay, after you've rectified the issues, get Codex to do a final pass just to see what it thinks. And ultimately what you end up with is a better strategy. And with a better strategy, you put yourself in a better position to make more money. And especially for me on this challenge, if I fail at this publicly, it's going to be very embarrassing. So I'm doing my best here to create the best strategy. And this has been fundamentally a huge shift in the way I look at building strategies and even the way I operate my business. I think everyone should install this dual brain setup into their own structures here and work with AI in this way. Let me know any cool use cases that you have for this dual brain setup in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.